Friends, according to our current scientific understanding, this universe was created about 13.8 billion years ago, and our Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. Over this long journey, Earth has faced many catastrophic events, but it has survived and continues to support life. Thanks to modern science and technology, we've managed to learn a little bit about this vast universe. But still, there's so much left to uncover. When we look out into space, we see millions of galaxies, countless stars, black holes, and so many fascinating and sometimes dangerous things. Among these, one of the biggest threats to our planet is the asteroid. Did you know that every single day, nearly 25 million asteroid fragments, also known as meteors or meteor dust, head toward our Earth? But they're usually so tiny that they burn up and vanish in our atmosphere before they even reach the ground. But what if, instead of small pieces, a large asteroid comes our way? The chance of it actually hitting Earth becomes much greater. In fact, something similar happened on the 15th of February 2013. An asteroid named 2012 DA14, about 130 meters in diameter, passed just 27,700 kilometers above our planet's surface. And just 16 hours after that, another asteroid exploded in the sky over Chelyabinsk, Russia, causing a powerful shockwave. This event damaged about 7,200 buildings in the area, but thankfully, no one lost their life. If we look further back in history, around 244 million years ago, dinosaurs used to rule the Earth. But then a massive asteroid struck the planet, wiping out the dinosaurs and many other species in one of the biggest extinction events ever, the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Today in Mexico, the Chicxulub crater marks the spot where that asteroid hit. The crater is about 200 kilometers wide and 180 kilometers in diameter, and studies suggest it's around 65 million years old. Scientists believe the asteroid that created it was about 10 kilometers wide. So yes, it's possible that in the future, another giant asteroid could threaten life on Earth. To prevent that, NASA and the European Space Agency are working together to keep an eye on all asteroids that pass near Earth. So far, we've managed to identify about 93% of near-Earth objects and asteroids. But let's say a huge asteroid is actually heading toward us. What defenses do we have? What can we do to save our planet? Great question. Scientists have suggested 4 main ways to defend against an incoming asteroid. 1. The first method is to use a nuclear missile to blow up the asteroid in space before it reaches us. But this isn't as simple as it sounds. The radiation and heat from such an explosion could be extremely dangerous, not just for our satellites, but for the Earth itself, and especially for our moon, which plays a vital role for our planet. 2. The second method is known as DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Here, the idea is to crash a spacecraft into the asteroid to nudge it off its path. If we can change its trajectory even slightly, it might miss the Earth entirely. NASA actually favors this method and even launched a mission on the 22nd of July 2021 to test it out. The plan was to crash a spacecraft into a small asteroid called 65,803 Didymos, which orbits about 4 million kilometers away from Earth. This test asteroid isn't a threat to us. It's just for scientific study. 3. The third idea is the gravity tractor. Basically, a heavy spacecraft with strong gravity would fly alongside the asteroid and slowly pull it off course using its own gravitational force. It's still a theoretical idea, but in the future, this could be a practical way to protect our planet. 4. The fourth method is called D-STAR, Directed Energy System for Targeting of Asteroids and Exploration. This one sounds straight out of a science fiction movie. Scientists at the University of California proposed building a powerful satellite that could generate a focused laser beam using sunlight. The laser would then vaporize or deflect the asteroid before it reaches us. We don't have a laser that powerful yet, but maybe someday soon we will. So for now, you don't need to be scared. There's no asteroid currently on a collision course with Earth. But what do you think? Could a massive asteroid wipe us out in the future, just like the dinosaurs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and tell me how you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Factor V2, for more amazing and scientific content in the future. Thank you.